Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at one OK, ticker symbol OKE. We're looking at this stock as a dividend paying stock. Over the last few months, you can see it's down quite a bit from its highs of over $75. And we're approaching that level again. While it would have been good to get in back here when it was low at like 30 bucks, 25 bucks, whatever, I didn't do that. So I'm still bullish on the stock. I like it for the long term. So what I've been doing is selling cash covered puts to gain a position in this stock. So I'm going to just do one, and I want to get 235. I'm going to sell this to open. So my break even is 62.65. I feel pretty good with that number. You can see it was filled at 235. Let's look at our position. Here's our position in one OK. We have a put expiring this month in November on the monthly for $62.50. We're doing good. We got put stock last week. The stock closed on Friday at $62.74 or something like that, or $64.74 or something like that. And today it's back over 65. So I made the premium that I sold on the cash cover put. Plus, I'm back even on my money. Plus, it pays a dividend. So, we're doing good. And plus, it's going up in value. At least that's what technical indicators say. This week, it should go up. So, stay tuned for more on how to make more on dividend-paying stocks than just dividend. We can sell options on top of those and collect cash. Could also do a covered call, but I'm not there yet. I want at least a few hundred shares in this before I do that. And then we'll go from there. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.